But in neural network training and all of that, there's this concept known as early stopping, where, some of these companies are training so many models over so much time that it's valuable to sit here and monitor your epoch progress. Because if you have a baseline and you're at 0.93 for your validation accuracy, let's say, right? And you're 20 epochs in on a new model that you're trying, and that epoch and that epoch is at 0.65, then that's an early stopping scenario, because that's not going to beat my 0.93, right? So we're doing the epochs to kind of help deepen our understanding, do the head-to-head matchup. But the epochs, you really shouldn't say, oh yeah, I think we should tune for 15 epochs. It's the other way around. You should be tuning your model. Okay, guys? So I really hope that you guys have an understanding of that, that don't think of epochs as hyperparameters. It's more of just how are you progressing, right? Are you getting, again, going back to that example of the semesters in college, are you getting dumber or are you getting smarter? You should know, because you've taken the class 10 times now. Are you literally doing better or are you not? Right? So just keep that in mind, guys. And a lot of these concepts, maybe I'll do a more advanced neural networks class, but the rabbit hole goes a lot deeper than what we're doing today. Today I'm kind of keeping it surface, because I recognize that there's some new people in the chat, right? It goes a lot deeper than this. Okay. Okay, guys. So start giving me some comments in the chat. What do you guys want to do next? You want to add more layers? You want to do more epochs? Give me some ideas. Do you want to change the train test split? We could do that. There's trade-offs to doing that, but people do it. Not always a good idea, but people do it. What do you guys think? Give me some comments in the chat. Where are we going next? I got some ideas, but I want to hear from you. All right. Rahul says, is the loss for PyTorch better than Keras in this instance? And how do we measure the trade-off between loss and... Yeah, Rahul, great question. So I would say that the loss is still kind of variable, right? Super variable in PyTorch. I mean, look at this. We're as high as 0.51. We're as low as 0.06, which is a great loss number, by the way. 0.09, but then we end off with 0.23, 0.10. Super variable. So I don't know. Rahul. I think it's variable. Too variable to call,